sound G as G. Makes the sound G as in goat. G makes the sound G as in goat.
F. Colin, F.
F makes the sound as in fiddle.
Moshi says goodnight. Let's do F.
Can you find the first?
F makes the sound as in fiddle. F makes the sound as in fiddle.
How about G?
V makes the sound as in volcano. N makes the sound as in nut.
F.
I makes the sound F makes the sound as in fiddle. F makes the sound as in fiddle. O makes the sound G makes the sound G as in goat.
Dog.
F makes the sound.
I'm thinking of a letter. Can you guess what it is? Cat.
O make G makes the sound G as in.
Can you find the last letter of the alphabet?
Push a letter to answer Scout.
Scout. Pop. Starts with the letter
U. N makes the sound F makes the sound as in fiddle. G makes the sound G as in goat.
Yeah.